The Kathmandu Darbar Square, also known as Hanuman Dhoka Darbar Square, is a historical landmark in Kathmandu that was constructed in 1770. The UNESCO cultural site is not far from Jonche, a popular hippie hangout from 1960s to the 1970s. The Darbar Square includes the old royal palace of Kathmandu, Malla and Saha King, Kumari Ghar, Taleju Temple, Kal Bhairav Temple, the famous Hanmadhaka Museum, and several other temples. The entrance to the palace is guarded by a statue of Hanuman, which was built during the reign of Pratap Malla. The palace is also named after the Hanuman statue as Dhoka, means gate. This structure, which is covered in red cloth and has an umbrella over its head, dates from the 16th century. The Tiruvan Museum, located in Kathmandu Darbar Square's Hanuman Dhoka Palace. Kathmandu Royal Palace Hanuman Dhoka was originally founded during the Lichhvi period, 4th to 8th centuries AD, but the compound was expanded considerably by King Pratap Malla in the 17th century. Sadly, the sprawling palace was hit hardly by 2015 earthquake and damage was extensive. But now all damaged structure is being renovated.